Hello again. Well, here's the other one. I couldn't get the other one open. And while you all wait patiently for me to open up this lock, I'm going to throw some random facts out there for you to absorb and have a little fun. Did you know Germany has more castles than there are McDonald's in the United States? That's right. Germany is estimated to have 25,000 castles, and there are around 13,000 McDonald's locations in America. In Washington State, there is a law that says it's illegal to kill Bigfoot and other Sasquatch-like creatures. And you know what? Good for them. In the UK, dogs are one of the 3 deadliest animals. The other 2 are bees and cows. That might be changing. Sorry, UK. Sloths are slow in everything they do, including digestion. Because they digest foods so slowly, they basically have to breathe out their farts because they can't actually fart. Poor sloth. There are caves in Missouri that store 1.4 billion pounds of government-owned cheese. Located deep in the Ozark Mountains in limestone-converted mines, the caves are kept at a perfect 36 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's another factoid. Oh, wow, this is interesting. Cockroach dust plays a part in why so many inner-city children have asthma. A single cloud can weigh about 550 tons or more. Wow. Incredible. Despite being 4 inches long, the mantis shrimp throws the fastest punch in the world. In Switzerland, owning only 1 guinea pig or parrot is illegal. Okay, interesting. If you are drunk or violent in Japan, police will take a plastic sheet and roll you up like a burrito. That's great. Let's see what else we got here. A grizzly bear's bite is strong enough to crush a bowling ball. Male ducks have corkscrew shape. No, we don't want to talk about that. Miss Piggy's original name was going to be Piggy Lee. Oh, that's cute. If you say you are not afraid of anything, I have some news for you. Humans are innately born with the fear of falling and loud noises. Whatever other fears one may have are shaped and learned with experience. Alright, that's enough factoids for now. I've almost got this lock open. See you later. Got it. Finally. Whew. That's sort of an opal because I had not previously seen this when it was under wraps. Well, I got one of them. Sorry for the long video, but an opal's an opal, and that's a win for me. Sorry I don't talk much during my videos, but sometimes I concentrate so hard, and I just want to say sorry for that. And hello and welcome. Alright. I'm going to try to get it open quicker for the alphabet videos. But hey, an open's an open. I'm happy. First time I ever tried a Disecu 40mm 5-pin brass padlock. Oh yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate you sticking around. I want you to have a wonderful day. And tomorrow I'll do the same thing. Alright, see ya.